Hola, soy Juan Nieto. Import the video. Drag it to the timeline. Jump to the Color tab, Qualifier tab, Qualifier 3D, and draw over the brightest area. Go to these three dots, Add Alpha Output, and connect the blue square with the round one. Press on this icon. If you remove by mistake some part of the image, select the negative qualifier. Go back to the Edit tab, open the Titles panel. Drag Text Plus, and on the inspector change the text. Oranges. In Español. Change the font. Adjust the size. Move the clip over the text. And drag under the text the original clip. Back to the Color tab to perfection the borders. Use the tools here. And that's all. Change the color of the text if you want. Click on Quick Export to save it as a video. Gracias por ver. Hasta pronto.